Okay guys, let's make this tutorial real quick. Okay, open your Google Chrome or any other browser, type OBS, then click on download and then download installer. Once it's downloaded, then open the app and you will see this type of interface. Then you have to mute your microphone in order to avoid any background noises while you're recording, and click on plus icon, then click on display capture, click on OK, then click again OK, and then size it according to your choice, and then go to settings, go to output, and you have to choose a location where you have to save your video or recording. Click on browse. I've already selected one, so I'll select college lectures, select folder, and then go to video and select resolution as per your choice. I usually keep it at max settings. Then click on apply, then okay, then you are done with your setup. Then click on start recording, and then it will start capturing your screen, so you can record your lectures on Zoom. And once it's done, then go to OBS, click on stop recording, and the video will be saved at the location where you have selected that folder. Okay, so go to that folder, that selected folder where the recording will be saved. So in my case it's college lectures, and you'll see one video, and this is that video or recording, and click on that, and this is your recording. And if you want to, just a second, if you want to remove this participant list and chats around it, then you have to crop the video using external apps, and that's it. Then if you want to upload it on YouTube or any other platform, you can.